When planning a door replacement or installation project in Gainesville, most homeowners focus on the style, material, and security features of the door itself. While those choices are important, one detail often overlooked is the door threshold. This small but essential component plays a big role in comfort, energy efficiency, and the overall performance of your door. Ensuring correct threshold installation is key to making your Gainesville door project a success. What is a door threshold? A door threshold is the strip located at the bottom of your doorway, bridging the gap between the inside floor and the outside ground. While it may look like a simple piece of metal, wood, or composite material, it performs several vital functions. Sealing gaps to block drafts and moisture, acting as a barrier against pests and dirt, supporting the door frame structure, smoothing the transition between indoor and outdoor flooring. When installed properly, the threshold keeps your home comfortable, clean, and secure. Energy efficiency and comfort. In Gainesville's hot, humid summers and cooler winters, energy efficiency is a major concern. A poorly installed threshold can leave small gaps that allow air to leak in or out. This means your air conditioning or heating system has to work harder to maintain indoor comfort, driving up energy bills. Correct threshold installation ensures a tight seal, preventing unwanted drafts and keeping conditioned air inside. Over time, this translates into lower utility costs and a more consistent indoor climate. Protection against Gainesville's weather. From heavy summer storms to year-round humidity, Gainesville homeowners face unique weather challenges. Without a properly installed threshold, rainwater can seep inside, leading to warped floors, mold growth, or structural damage. A well-fitted threshold includes weather stripping and moisture barriers that redirect water away from your entryway. This simple detail helps protect your home from the costly effects of water intrusion. Keeping out pests and debris. Florida's warm climate makes Gainesville a hotspot for insects, small critters, and even snakes. Any gap beneath your door creates an easy entry point for pests. Correct threshold installation ensures the bottom of your door seals snugly against the threshold, closing off this vulnerable area. In addition to pest control, thresholds block dirt, dust, and outdoor debris from entering your home, keeping your living spaces cleaner. Structural support and longevity. Thresholds are more than just seals. They provide structural support to the door frame. An improperly installed threshold can cause the door to sit unevenly, leading to problems like sticking, drafts, or premature wear on hinges. Over time, this can compromise both the door's function and its lifespan. When installed correctly, thresholds distribute weight evenly and keep the door aligned. This not only enhances performance but also ensures your investment in a new door lasts for years. Enhancing accessibility. For many Gainesville homeowners, accessibility is also a consideration. Correct threshold installation ensures smooth transitions for those using wheelchairs, walkers, or strollers. Low-profile thresholds that still provide strong weather sealing make it easier for everyone in your household to move safely and comfortably through entryways. Professional installation matters. While it may seem like a small task, threshold installation requires precision. Professional installers measure, level, and secure the threshold to create a perfect seal. They also ensure it integrates seamlessly with the type of door you've chosen, whether it's an entry door, patio slider, or French door. DIY installations often overlook critical details like waterproofing, alignment, or the right sealant materials. Hiring professionals in Gainesville ensures your threshold is installed correctly the first time, saving you from costly repairs down the road. Final thoughts. The threshold may be small, but its role in protecting your home is significant. From improving energy efficiency and keeping out pests to safeguarding against Gainesville's humid climate, correct threshold installation is an essential step in any door project. When planning your next door upgrade, don't overlook this critical detail. Partner with trusted Gainesville door experts who understand the local climate and can ensure a seamless installation. With the right threshold in place, your new door will deliver lasting comfort, protection, and peace of mind.